Hello, my friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. Things have been playing out exactly how we've seen them to play out with this pattern. For those of you that are in the whale crew, you know yesterday we said Bitcoin is in a potential bottom formation, as in a temporary bottom, and we took some profit. The pattern I am referring to is this one. Boom, it bounces, flatlines, and then we'll see an upward move. Market Cipher is showing us that this is most likely going to play out, and after this move, we will simply continue to the downside. Now I cut about actually half of my trade on the account that I show. I sold my crypto. I cannot be one of those people that could just hold an asset as I know it is plummeting. To me, I just can't do it. Now, I am ready to get back in at a moment's turn when I see certain things, but when we're seeing these higher time frames, when things are looking so bleak, when the reality of the situation is so clear, why would I want to steer the other way? And it is official. We have not only made back our previous loss from longing, but we have made even more. Folks, it wasn't easy. But trading isn't easy. Life isn't easy. Now, how much this price will go up, I'm not expecting much. Maybe 8,300 tops. The money flow's going up. We have anchors, triggers going up. So yes, we should see a little bit of upward movement to the continuation of capitulation. How low will we go? In my opinion, it's pretty simple. Again, for some time, quite some time, we have been speaking about how we are just repeating a smaller version of the previous pattern. And so I wouldn't be surprised if we go down to 5,500 or something, not as low as the previous bottom, but somewhere around here. Something like that. And it could happen again. We could have a third, smaller version. So I took some profit. I did not close my whole trade. And I will sprinkle and dance back in. Been very busy with both business and personal. I'm not here to razzle dazzle you with a million different indicators and whatnot, but at the end of the day, like I said, I believe we're going to go up a little bit and continue down. Up a little bit, continue down. We have a couple plays in the stock market. You know, don't forget that you can use Market Cipher for many markets. And if you're on the daily or the 2-day, you can just play the waves. Look, let's say if you got in here, boom, you would have got in 65. You exit when the wave's on top at 74. You short at 74. You exit at 71. Hell, let's say if you, if you just long good waves that come down a good bit, short when it comes to the upside, even if it's a small one, just to be safe, you will be in major profit. In fact, I had someone message me, said they back tested just doing that with Bitcoin, and they made like 18% a month or something with no or little leverage. Take that with a grain of salt, because I don't remember the exact details. But they just played the waves. That's it. Entered, exit, entered, exit, entered, exit, enter, exit, enter, exit, enter. So yes, I know I've taken a few days off from working on the tutorials and whatnot. Forgive me, but what you have, what you need is there already. Now, when I admit my losses, there's a few folks out there that like to try to pounce and say, oh, if you want to join a real trade group, do this. Yeah, CryptoFace loses. I'm not afraid to admit when I lose. Many of you are too afraid. Results speaks for themselves. And no one has the results like our group and our community. And I may not be a perfect leader or a perfect person. Now, did someone buy a new car? I purchased Market Cipher back in June. I've been using it trading XAU, USD, XAU, GBP. This currency guy. The 15th of November was very special to me. I finally upgraded my car from a 20-year-old Ford Focus, which is an absolute rust bucket and scared as hell to me to drive, to a 2013 Range Rover Sport. Woo, baby! Woohoo! Another one, baby. Shout out to Zico. I don't think I've ever seen Zico before. The indicators not only allowed me to upgrade my car, but has helped me pay off a small second mortgage on a property rental. In honor of CF and MC, I want to purchase a private number plate for the Range Rover. Please see images and vote. Oh, MC7, MCI9 her. I don't know what the I9 and I7 means. MC it. MC in. We need to give this guy a shout out. Zico, you are the man. You pulled the trigger. You are responsible for your success. And I am proud to have you here. Congrats to all of you as well. So, we're getting it. We're getting it. My lordy, look at these people. Look, this guy got really long position, tried to pull more BTC storage. I got some lost eventually. Eventually, I had to listen to what the charts kept telling me. We're not going back up, bro. I had the same problem, bro. I was long from what, 91, 9200. I had to cut it, re-shorted, 8600. Bang, 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 and we're back in the saddle. We're back in the saddle. It's okay. You're not going to win every trade. You are still human. You're going to make mistakes. Way to go, bro. Damn. Look at these people. It's Thanksgiving soon, and I have thanks, and it is time for the giving. I am announcing a blowout special for Market Cipher. I haven't ironed out the exact details. I kind of have an idea, but and it's also time to do our scholarship. So we're going to have a Market Cipher blowout special, and the scholarship program where only people in need, and I mean people in need, We'll fill out an application. The details will come here soon. It's time. It's time to get more Christmas presents or Hanukkah bush presents, whatever. So we are kicking ass. And even though the market's a little stale, it is slow. We know what it is doing. We adjust to what the market gives us. Like a chameleon, we have to change. We have to adapt to our environment. Because if you do not adapt to your environment, if you do not adjust, you will get naturally selected and taken out. But not us. We are the true selected, and that is why we are growing, rising, and buying new cars, upgrading our life, paying off mortgages, having more children. So I don't care what anyone says. At the end of the day, we got the results. And everyone knows it. Boy, am I proud. I am so proud. Good for you, bro. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Great choice. Black on black on black. You get that Range Rover. You enjoy your life because you earned it. You earned it. And I shall shed a single manly tear. Because we have no fear. So thank you. You're welcome. And it's only the beginning. Next year is going to be a intense, very big year. I have been buried amongst many things behind the scenes, and we're not slowing down. We are going to take over not only this space, but the whole trading space. We are revolutionizing everything, I'm telling you. You do not need to have a stick up your ass in order to trade. And you don't have to have a PhD from Yale or something to do it either.